Hello, welcome back to Nourish Well. Today's topic is yoga for morning energy boost. Starting your morning with yoga can transform the way you feel throughout the day. The practice combines movement, breathing, and mindfulness to awaken your body and energize your mind. Morning yoga not only prepares you physically, but also mentally for the challenges ahead. It's a simple yet effective way to increase energy levels naturally without relying on caffeine or stimulants. In this video, we'll explore how yoga can boost your morning energy, key poses to include in your routine, and how you can make this practice a habit. Let's dive in. Benefits of morning yoga for energy. Boost 1. Improves blood circulation. Yoga stretches and movements encourage better blood flow, ensuring oxygen and nutrients reach every part of your body. Improves circulation naturally enhances your energy levels and reduces sluggishness. 2. Releases endorphins. Engaging in yoga releases feel-good hormones that elevate your mood and make you feel refreshed, happy, and ready to tackle the day. 3. Reduces stress levels. Morning yoga helps lower cortisol, replacing tension with a calm and focused mindset. Increases flexibility and mobility. Gentle stretches wake up stiff muscles and joints, making you feel more agile and reducing fatigue throughout the day. 5. Enhances mental clarity. Yoga incorporates mindfulness and meditation, which improve focus, decision-making, and productivity. Best yoga poses for morning energy. Here are 5 effective poses that are perfect for boosting morning energy. 1. Sun Salutation, Surya Namaskar. A sequence of poses designed to stretch the entire body. Sun Salutation improves flexibility, circulation, and energy. 2. Cat-Cow Pose, Marjaryasana Bidalasana. This gentle spinal movement improves posture, relieves tension, and activates the nervous system for a morning energy boost. 3. Downward Dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. This iconic yoga pose stretches your hamstrings, calves, and spine while increasing blood flow to the brain. 4th Warrior Eye Mai Chu, Virabhadrasana Eye. A powerful pose that strengthens the legs and core while boosting focus and confidence. 5. Child's Pose, Balasana, a calming pose that stretches the lower back and hips, giving you a moment of relaxation and mindfulness. How to create a morning yoga habit. 1. Start small. Commit to 10 to 15 minutes initially. Over time, you can extend the duration. 2. Set up your space. Create a designated yoga area with a mat, soothing lighting, and minimal distractions. 3. Make it routine. Pair yoga with another morning habit, like brushing your teeth or making tea, to build consistency. 4. Use guided resources. Apps like Yoga for Beginners or YouTube channels provide step-by-step routines you can follow. 5. Track progress. Keep a journal or use a habit tracking app to stay motivated and accountable. Morning yoga is more than just exercise. It's a way to nourish your body, mind, and soul. By dedicating even a small portion of your day to this practice, you'll feel energized, focused, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. So, unroll your mat, breathe deeply, and embrace the power of yoga for a revitalized morning. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe Nourish Well to get more health tips.